Go to AWS Management Console. You can create a free account here. If you have already created an account, sign into the console. In the AWS Management Console, search for EC2 and click on this option. On this page, click on Launch Instance button to start the creation flow. Select Ubuntu Server 20.04 as the Amazon machine image. Select free tier eligible T2 Micro as the instance type. It's enough for practicing more use cases that we discuss in the future. Keep the default settings for instance details. Let's add 30 for storage size, as free tier eligible customers get up to 30 GB of storage capacity. We can skip adding tags for now. Configuring security group can be tricky. In this video we allow all traffic from any port, as we are creating this instance for learning purposes. Now, carefully review the configurations of your instance. Make sure you have selected all the details correctly. Otherwise, you can go to previous pages and correct them. Then, click on Launch button. You will be asked to create a key pair. Keep default key pair type and give a key pair name. Let's type my EC2 key pair. After that, remember to download the key pair. Keep downloaded key pair file in a safe place. Finally, click on Launch Instances button to launch the instance. You may have to wait a few minutes until the instance is ready. Click on View Instances button to view your instances. Still, our EC2 instance is in pending state. Let's wait for a minute. Now our instance is up and running. Click on Instance. You can see the details of our instance. Copy public IPv4 DNS address. Alright. Now we are going to SSH to our EC2 instance. Open your preferred terminal. Type SSH, space, -i, space, path to downloaded key pair file, space, Ubuntu at, public IPv4 DNS address and, press enter. Type yes to continue. Now, we are logged into the EC2 instance. You can try some commands to test it. There is no directory yet. Let's try to create a new directory and go into the directory. Okay. It's working as expected. Hope you found the tutorial useful. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.